Be ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. The instant writ petition is under Article 226 of the Constitution of India for declaration of Rule 3.16 of the Jharkhand Municipality Elected Representative under bracket Discipline and Appeal Rules 2020, hereinafter referred as the Rules 2020, as ultra-virus to section 18 under bracket 1 of the Jharkhand Municipal Act 2011, hereinafter referred as the Act 2011, as amended by the Jharkhand Municipal Amendment Act 2017, hereinafter referred as the Act 2017, which is the parent act, and for a further direction for issuance and appropriate writs in the nature of certiorari for quashing the later number 2026 dated 14/8/2020 issued by the Department of Urban Development and Housing Government of Jharkhand, whereby and whereunder it has been decided that the petitioner is ineligible under Rule 3.16 of the Rules 2020 for the post of Mayor Giridih Municipal Corporation, as also to stay the decision as contained in impugned letter number 2026 dated 14/8/2020 issued by the Department of Urban Development and Housing Government of Jharkhand, or no coercive action be directed to be taken against the petitioner. However, Mr. Binod Singh, learned senior counsel, appearing for the writ petitioner, has confined his prayer only with respect to the prayer number 1 pertaining to declaration of Rule 3.16 of the Rules 2020 as ultra-virus to section 18 under bracket 1 of the Act 2011 as amended by the Act 2017, being the parent act, as because according to him, since the writ petitioner has challenged the virus of Rule 3.16 of the Rules 2020, therefore an opportunity be given to the writ petitioner to assail the other prayers as contained under prayer numbers 2 and 3 before the appropriate forum, if the opinion so arises. In view thereof, the instant writ petition is confined only to the prayer number 1 pertaining to declaration of Rule 3.16 of the Rules 2020 as ultra-virus to section 18 under bracket 1 of the Act 2011 as amended by the Act 2017, and so far as relief numbers 2 and 3 are concerned, and the writ petitioner would be at liberty, if he so wishes, to approach the appropriate forum. The factual matrix of the case, as per the pleading made in the writ petition and argued by the learned counsel for the writ petitioner, is as under. The writ petitioner claims himself to be a local resident of the district of Giridih within the state of Jharkhand. He claims to have contested the election for the post of mayor in the year 2018, and to that effect a certificate was issued in favor of the writ petitioner on 20/4/2018, as would be evident from Annexure 1 appended to the writ petition. It is the contention of the writ petitioner that under section 18(1) of the Act 2011 as amended by virtue of the Amendment Act 2017, the grounds for disqualification of a person holding the office as councillor has been provided, containing therein altogether 15 grounds for disqualification, and as such the councillor is supposed to be disqualified only on a condition if he/she has been found to be disqualified as per the condition referred under section 18 under bracket 1 of the Act 2011. It has further been contended that the Jharkhand Municipal Amendment Act 2017, notified Wide Gazette dated 23/1/2018, has further been amended as Jharkhand Municipality Elected Representative under bracket Discipline and Appeal Rules 2020, notified by notification number 1910 dated 28/7/2020, in exercise of power conferred under section 590 of the Act, whereby and whereunder a provision has been inserted under Rule 3.16 laying down a condition for disqualification which is not provided under section 18 under bracket 1 of the Act 2011, the parent act, and therefore the provision of Rule 3.16 of the amended Rules 2020 is ultra vires, since the said condition of disqualification is absent under section 18 under bracket 1 of the Act 2011.